Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back to Online Solutions Hub. In today's video, I want to show you how to convert documents to PDF. A lot of people have been asking me how to convert documents to PDF. If you're new to my channel, please click on subscribe and notification bell so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be able to get notified. So let's go on. So first of all, you need to have WPS application on your phone. If you don't have it, you just go straight to Google Play and you type WPS. As you can see, in my case, I have it already installed, so I just need to update it, but I don't need it since I already have it. I'll just go ahead and click on it. Locate your application and click on it. Here, so it has opened. So here it will show you all the documents you have on your phone. So as for my case, let me convert my proposal below, and let me convert it to PDF. It is in form of document, but let me convert it to PDF. You just click on it, so this is documents. So if I need to convert it to PDF, you just have to come and click these tools, click on it, see where you see export to PDF, you click on it. Now here you have to choose basic, because if you choose remove the WPS logo, that means you have to pay for it. But if you want to use it for free, you just go ahead and click basic, click on it, then click on export to PDF. You just wait for it for 7. Finally, now it has been, as you can see here, it has been what? It has already changed to PDF. So this is how we do it. If you get back, you see it here. You see it is here already. My proposal, it is already converted to PDF. So this is how we do it. So if you're new to my channel, kindly click on subscribe, click on notification bell for my more videos. Thank you.